Your dealership is losing a full week every month, and it's costing you many car deals.
GM Canada drops their incentives, and then a few days go by before you make a decision.
By the time you call us and we build your campaign, it's day 7. Week 1 is gone.
This is bad during most months, but in December, that's fatal.
Because once Santa shows up, it's hit or miss.
Want to flip the script? Lock in our brand new Turbo Q4 Trifecta. We guarantee you go live within 48 hours of new incentives for 3 months in a row.
October
During all 30 days of November.
and December.
But only 10 dealers can get this guarantee, and several spots are already spoken for.
In October, you get our exciting Golden Ticket Upgrade Event.
In November, it's our annual Black Friday Blitz, which creates 30 days of deal fever and appointment velocity.
And for December, it's our holiday closeout with our festive urgency right out of the gates before the 20th window.
And we don't just run an ad or send a few emails and SMS. We ship your dealership a fully built funnel ready to convert.
Presentation video, promo video, lead form, nurtures, and a thank you page.
Plus, your OEM incentives are amplified, simplified, and impossible to ignore.
Commit to the Turbo Trifecta, and you will reach up to 5,000 existing customers each month.
Plus 50,000 conquest shoppers in market.
That's 20,000 more than usual.
Your trade-in story? Aggressive, tech-powered, and ready to pay top dollar.
No week 1 lag or missed momentum. Just appointments, test drives, and deals.
You want Q4 momentum or a Q4 miracle? The Turbo Trifecta is how you stack both.
If you're reading this and the spots aren't gone, that's your sign.
Lock your Turbo Q4 Trifecta now, and your 48-hour launch guaranteed.
Book a quick call with Sean Casey now and see if your market qualifies. Turbo Marketing, 3 months, 1 knockout finish.
Let's finish 2025 loud, proud, and sold out.